Good afternoon, respected sir and teacher. Our topic is patriarchy and social economy. Here is where presentation begins, presented by our groups. I am Zareen from class 9.
My name is Sunny Tanti from class 9.
My name is Ronak Mishra from class 9.
My name is Piyush Chaudhary.
My name is Amdi Afzal.
My name is Raja Shahabuddin.
My name is Rekha Mandal.
The word patriarchy means the rule of men. We often say that many of we can think that women do not lead a family, but it is not true. Both he or she can lead a family very well. Sir, please change the slide.
Impact of patriarchy on social economy. In simple words, patriarchy is a social system in which positions of authorities are primarily occupied by men. The term patriarchy is used both in anthropology to describe a family or clan controlled by the father or eldest male or group of males, and in feminist theory to describe a broader social structure in which men as a group dominate society. We have selected this topic because the women do not get any opportunity, so our team has decided to raise the voice against this topic, and we have conducted a survey and we have got positive answers.
Bullet points. Patriarchy means the rule of men in a family. We often see that many of us think that men can rule a family better than women, but it is not true. He and she both can do better. Many decisions are mostly made by men. It is also not true. Women can also be a good decision maker. Men hold the power because they earn and run a family. It depends on the thinking of ruler. He can hold or distribute. If in case they got the job, they pay less amount of money. It depends on the thinking of ruler. He can hold or distribute. If in case they got the job, they pay less amount of money. Yes, it is true. We see in many families that women get any of opportunity like to do job or other works.
Process and planning. Our team is planning that is upcoming day. We have selected the 15 question and conducting a group survey. And in our group, we are having 7 members and we are verification and patriarchy exist in the world. Sir, slide change. Rekha.
Our first question is, do you think in our country there is partiality between men and women? You can see by number majority people said yes, and by gender male and female also said yes. Slide change. Our second question, if your daughter want to be a job, will you support? You can see by number majority people said yes, and by gender male and female also said yes. Slide change. Can a woman lead a family? By number majority people said yes, and by gender male and female also said yes. Slide change.
Do you think a woman is eligible to run a business? As we can see that according to the number, majority people has said yes, and by gender, male and female both can said yes and no and maybe neutral. Next slide. Patriarchy system tend to prioritize men in leadership and decision-making roles. So do you think at many limit diverse perspective in economic planning? By number, majority people has said yes and no maybe neutral. Majority males said no, but female has said yes. Next slide. Is patriarchy only harmful to women? According to number, many people have said no. By gender, male and female both have said no.
Are women discouraged to entering the politics? According to the number, we can see that many of them said no. And according to the gender, we can see that both male said no and the female said neutral. No or yes, neutral. Sir, please change the slide. Can patriarchy exist in different form? According to the number, we can see that yes, answer is overall yes. And according to the gender, we can see that both male and female said yes. Do you think that men can got more salary as compared to women? According to the number, we can see that the number of yes or the percentage of yes is more, or according to the gender
is more.
No sir.
Yes, the percentage of
Yes is less than no. According to the gender, we can see that both answer is no. Both gender yes or no. Sir, please slide change. Yes.
Thus, patriarchy limit women's access to equal economic opportunities. By number, mostly said that yes, and by gender, male said yes and female also said yes. Next question. Can patriarchy lead to unequal pay for women in a labor market? By number, mostly people said yes, and by gender, male said yes, female said no. Thus, patriarchy restricts women's ability to own property or access credit, hindering their economic independence. By number, mostly people said yes, and by gender, male said yes, female said no. Female also said yes.
But compared to the men,
Less female said yes.
Does patriarchy discourage women from pursuing an entrepreneurial venture or leadership position? By number, yes, we can see that yes is more than answer, and by gender, we can see no is more, and female say is that yes.
you are not explaining the percentage of women or the percentage of male or female respond, what they responded.
Male said has no, and female said has yes, but male less than male.
You are not getting. This is the slide.
In a patriarchal society, are men generally less likely to face barriers to career advantage compared to women? By number, you can see that no is mostly answer, and by gender, we can see that male has said no and female has said no, but in next slide, sir. In our country, men's salary is higher than the women. Do you think that in upcoming generation, both can equal salary? By number, people has said that mostly yes, and by gender, we can see that Male said yes, and female also said yes. In
In the end of our project, we are having some conclusion points. Most people don't even know what patriarchy is. When we were conducting our survey, most of the peoples don't know about the patriarchy. Then we have explained her or him about that, and then we have conducted our survey. From the data, we can clearly see that mostly women suffer due to patriarchy. From the data, we can see clearly that women are clearly suffer due to patriarchy. As few people know about the problem, hence the solution is different. Awareness and education might solve this problem. By taking the awareness and education, we can solve this problem, and making some rights about the woman, for the woman, we can solve this problem.
Is there any question?
Yes, first let me ask the class. Do you have any queries, questions?
You want to ask? Ask. Ask. No?
No. Then again, my question.
Why men think that a woman can't lead a family?
It is a man. उसका सोचने का ऊपर है. It is depend on her thinking.
On their anything else?
Okay.
You people also start thinking, and you should add a point to him when he is giving a reason. You can add to his word.
Okay, from conclusion, I want to ask one
Yes.
question. Okay. As few people know about the problem, hence the solution is different, or it is difficult, I think. Solution is difficult.
Yes.
So, what solutions can you expect? If you are trying to solve this problem, then what are the steps you are going to take?
By giving the freedom to women,
You can't do that the very next day. Are there any steps you can start from?
For making the law
Making the law.
against
Any
that.
Any of you?
Understanding them.
Yes.
सर जो मेल है सर समझ नहीं पाते, मतलब मेल सोचते फीमेल अच्छा नहीं चला सकते हैं.
But no, I will not allow you to speak in Hindi.
You are not allowed to speak in Hindi. Okay. You have to
Sir,
answer.
any other queries? Any other queries?
Anyone else want to answer this?